Hello, friends.
Old owner, this is third time. Please tell someone, whoever's sending this stuff.
Alright guys, we're back today. We're on the convertible. Last time you saw it, we did the interior, and that was what, 4 months ago? And since then, it's blown a head gasket, which is, I guess, exhilarating. Now, it runs well. It's smogged. It's got legal tags that aren't stolen. And so today we finally get to do fun stuff, which I'm happy with because I'm tired of spending money on it. So let's see what we're gonna do today. So big thing today, coilovers. As usual, I only run Powertrix. Between Kim and I, it's our 4th or 5th set since 2011, so I don't really like anything else. These are the midline, the road and track. That's how I get the camber plates. And all I told Charles is that we're gonna be low and I wanna run Swifts. And then he gave me all that. We got these real baby springs, 5 inches about. So I'm interested to see how low it'll be. 10K spring rate in the front, 12 in the rear, which is similar to how we ran on Kim's BRZ, but with the multi-link in the rear, you can run a stiffer rear spring. So this is only the second divorced rear spring setup that I've done, but it's only an extra step to set up, so we'll show it when we get there, but it should be fun. And then past that, I got bigger sway bars off the roller. I think each one is 3 mil bigger than what's on there, which should be cool. Again, I'm tired of spending money, so I didn't buy new end links. And then for the front, the control arm bushings are pretty shot. I think you can see through them, and I'm pretty sure they're going to fall apart when we take them out. But new control arms, new ball joints, and Garagistic 80A Durameter bushings. I don't know, the middle one. Lollipops. Yeah, and that's it. So let's get started.
Alright, the top one's the stock one, the bottom one's the new bar. 27. 24 and a half. So
It's lighted on fire. Shit sucks.
I think it's bad.
show them the lollipop.
This one is better, but you can see it's. I want to see the other one when it comes out. Let's see, this doesn't.
Okay.
So this should be the hardest part though.
Okay.
I just jinxed us sick. Front is done. Control hours took 2 hours and made everyone angry, so let's not look at those. Front coilovers are in, so just gotta adjust them. And then we have the rear struts in, and real quick I'm gonna measure, since it's divorce setup, you can measure the strut length and make sure that it bottoms out before it hits everything. And then you can be super low and still have good shock stroke, so we're gonna do that right now.
All together.
So the whole way we're trying to do here is we want the strut to bottom out not too soon. So here it's bottomed out, but we still have like another inch. So I'm going to shorten the strut, and then we'll get all this travel back, and won't do weird things when it bottoms out. So that's why you do all this. All right, so it's on the ground, and I think it looks pretty good. I do think the rears are on the bump stop, so I'm gonna have to yell at Charles because he said I could go low. But I don't know. Well, look at it. But we're gonna align it, and then I'm ready to go home, take a nap.
Now, can you get out of my driveway? Let's see how this works. You got it. Now you can turn it.
Yeah, I'll be back.
All right.
All right, so it's all done. Rides well, rode around the block. It's not as bad as I was expecting. Huey cleaned one of my headlights and was trying to let me look all bummy, so now he's got to finish the other side. But let's look at it. Okay, that's it for now. So next big plans on it only really are a 5-speed swap, but that might be, I don't know, 5 or 6 months. I got to collect parts. Yeah, that's it for now. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Bye.